If you get an invitation from someone on LinkedIn and you have a little inkling that it might be a fake profile, you're probably right. Keep watching this video, and I'm going to show you the same technique that I use to scan and look and see if the account is real or not, and hopefully save you some time. So let's get started. All right, so I went into LinkedIn this morning and I have a list of pending invitations that are in here. And the first one is what was flagging me to think about doing this video. And I got this invitation. He says his name is Mike Masson. Now, a little bit interesting here. It looks like he's wearing a suit and tie, professional gentleman, right? But his last name is lowercase. And then when I look at his headline, it seems really random. Receiving inventory, there's no space in between there, etc. What I like to do is I click to go to his profile, and right away I'm seeing some additional red flags. Are you seeing them? There's no branded header in the background. It's not linked to a company page. It's showing a university, which is not in the United States, lowercase, not correct capitalization inside here. And the odd thing is, this particular profile has 11,000 followers, which means probably roughly the same number of connections. When we look in the experience section, it seems to be this individual is in South Africa. And if you look at the top of the profile, he says he's in Cleveland, Ohio. So lots of red flags here. If that weren't enough, what I do next is I right click on the photo and we just look at search with Google Lens. This is a huge telltale sign here. Look at all these photos. Looks like the same person, right? Now, when we look at these photos, you just click on one of the link, OECD, very reputable organization. You know who this person is? He is actually Todd McClay, and I believe he is a trade minister in New Zealand. So this is what scammers will do. They will find someone else's photo, they will upload it to their account, and then they might use a combination of real information and fake information on their account to grow their LinkedIn network. I don't know what the end game is here. Is it just amassing a lot of connections and then trying to sell to them? I'm not sure, but this person will not be admitted into my network. What I'm going to do is a next step, and I highly recommend that you do this as well. If you come across one of these profiles, click on the More button and then go under where it says report/block. And I am going to first report him to LinkedIn because that alerts them. And if they get multiple reports of a specific person on the platform, then they are going to take action on it, right? And blocking will prohibit him from seeing me and me from seeing his activity. So first we want to alert LinkedIn of that. So I'm going to report the entire account and I'm going to say that this person is impersonating. Actually, I'm going to say this is not a real person because he's not impersonating, he's using it, and this is not a real person. I'm going to click on submit report. And then after I'm done submitting that report, I'm going to go back in again and now I'm going to block him. Okay. Now, there's a fairly good chance that LinkedIn's not going to take action just on one person doing this, but maybe if there's other people that are seeing this video and you take action and report this account as well, then there's a higher likelihood that LinkedIn is going to figure out that, yep, this is actually a fake account. All right. So I hope you found that tip helpful. Again, if you're getting any inclination that the account might not be a real person, ignore it. And even better, if you want to take those extra steps, you could report it and flag it to LinkedIn and then block the person as well. Hopefully you found this tip helpful. I would love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like these and be sure to comment below as well.